do that. See, as I told you, right, the entire, I'm reiterating it, right, the entire thing, right, I successfully covered three groups. One is the IoT, one is the group which is basically a uh, IoT Labs core team, which is a SME team who are defining the use cases. And I have another team, which is a pure IoT development team, where they are trying to do the development, where you will all develop all this. And the third is, which is your group, a SMAC Labs group, which develop all the data. Once the development data is done, its data comes. So there are now three groups parallelly doing it, and then teams are forming. So what going forward, what is going to happen in this case, right? So each individual person, that's what I'm trying to do, and then each individual persons will be reached, and then asked which is the area they would like to work. For example, I can say Atul might work on for example, one industry. You might like to look at it. Maybe Kapil will say a different industry, right? And Kapil, like some more will make in a different industry. So, for example, Atul and Kapil says that, hey, I'm interested in a particular industry. So the whole episode is I want to club this team and directly work. So in on a whole, right? For example, I can say, right, one SME guy, one I can say one IoT guy, one big data guy, one analytics guy, and one mobile guy, and one IoT cloud guy. So they in a whole nutshell, right? A use case or a POC will have a 6 to 7 members of team to deliver that use case. So this is what going to happen going forward. If and updates are given, right? It's not that, right, you will not be updated with what is happening at the end. So this session, like, you work as a silos with the team, but this session on a Saturday evening at 9 o'clock, you all come and discuss that particular episode, right? For example, hey, okay, Atul may come and then says that he's give his updates, saying that, hey, I worked on this industry and this is what is going to happen. He will share his knowledge. And next week, and Kapil will come and says that, hey, this is what we are trying to do, right? So every week, one or the other guy will come and share his knowledge, right? Starting from June first week or whatever it is. So at the end, okay, at the end, when we see that, oh, okay, everything is fine, and then at the end, right, we are delivered it, and then we are going to showcase it to the team, saying that, hey, this is the use case, this is what the end to end we try to deliver this. So this is what is going to happen in the next 6 months time frame, which we mark. So going forward, right, which technologies to use, what solutions needs to be delivered, what software needs to be delivered. So we can work it out. Like, maybe Atul will say that, okay, we don't, for this use case, maybe we don't need a Hadoop. We simply need a MongoDB. A Kapil will say that, hey, we need, for this is a real time, we may need a Spark, right? Maybe Saurabh will come back and say that, hey, we don't need this one will work with a simple SQL database, for example. And then on top of it, we have to write some logic and then retrieve. So that's where each use case will be unique to us, which might might have to work on an individual basis, which we are going to try to achieve in the next couple of weeks, or like in the next few weeks, and then try to target that, and then to try to deliver it by end of this year. So this is what whole nutshell which we are trying to do in a span of weeks. So any questions do you have? Let me know. We can discuss.
Vijay, I think it's a good idea. So, like, good team that each team will have like one developer, one IoT guide, and all these.
Yeah, I think it means why have Devan this? Everyone should learn. See, at the end of the day, right? this group will learn with all the other guys, right? IoT guy will learn from this guy. So all will be very enthusiastic to learn these technologies, and they'll participate, because the business guy will try to inculcate his knowledge and try to deliver this, and the all other groups try to deliver this. So one or the other will learn from other things, and then at the end, right, it will be end-to-end use case delivered.
Great. So do we have proper use case, or the IoT
Yes.
guys will let us
Yes.
know that
Yes,
what
yes,
the use
yes,
case
yes,
and all?
yes, yes, yes. It's already done. It's already in process. By June first week, you'll know. So everything will be published. Everything will be done. Will be clearly given it to you. What is the use case we are going to work? Everything will be shared to you. And then that's what I will reach to you next week. I'll try to. I'll reach to you, and then I'll give that. I'll give that. We have already defined it. I'll share that industries to you, right? And how are we going to do that, Elder? So you people have to think, right? For example, you think which industry. See, one more thing, right? One person cannot work on all industries. Just take away from that your mind. Okay, just think, right, from the of the 10 industries. I have defined 10 industries. I'll give you the 10 industries to you, and then you people needs to work on that. Yeah. So for example, somebody might be interested in automation, but some people might be interested in different industries. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So, any more questions? So, I think Atul, Kapil, everyone is fine with this concept of the. So, any suggestions? Let me know, right? Because, as I told you, right, this is not a one-way driven by me. It's a team effort. We are trying to deliver it, and also I am also learning from you people, right? Because I'm just the promoter, and I'm just the driver to go it very smoothly. I'm driving this on a single hand, and you people are open, right? There is no hard and fast rule, right? This has to go this way. So I'm open to suggestions. Any recommendations is absolutely fine. This is what it's a combined effort. We are trying to deliver it, and then I'm open to anything. I think, right, the time should be later changed to 9:30. I think 9:30 is the right time people are joining the call. I think I should push to 9:30. Okay. So no, anyhow, right? Yeah, I'm recording the session. That's what I'm saying, right? I know. I think you have given me the email IDs. What I will do is I'll take a screenshot of it, and then I will send to the people who has joined this call, right? So that you people can see and then try to understand what's going on. I know Yusuf joined now, so fine. But I know, right? So the whole agenda is that you can we can go forward with that use cases, 10 use cases. So I'm reiterating. Next week I'll reach to each one of them. I will share on Monday the 10 industries. So you be prepared, or like let me know by that time, right, when I reach you, right, which industries you want to work. So because that industries I can make you so that it will make you happy to work with the people also. Okay. So that way we can always try to achieve whatever it is. And then what is the advantage you get it out is you get the IoT knowledge. What is the main advantage for this group is you get the IoT because you work with an SME, and then you work with the business guys, and you work with an IoT guy who is a real developer guy who does the data, right, the gateways and everything. So he is the development. So you always talk to him. He's in your group, you talk to him, right? And then at the end, right, the data is collected and then data is shared to you, and that data you have to tell the team, right? And I'll talk to you on one-to-one also, right? For example, for example, you may say that, hey Vijay, I'm interested, for example, Yusuf may say that, hey Vijay, I'm interested in a HVAC. One is the use case. HVAC, what is HVAC? So you'll get the knowledge. And then that use case HVAC, Does it require a big data knowledge? Does it require a MongoDB, or does it require a simple SQL database? So Yusuf should tell to me. Yeah, Vijay. Okay, you are talking about a HVAC. So we tell the business, right, saying that hey, it comes as 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. The data is like small database data coming up, or like it's a MBs of data, gigabytes of data. So I'll give you the input. So Yusuf can tell that hey Vijay, this is a small amount of data. Why do you need a Hadoop or like so? No. Like it's can yeah. So well, let's go with the simple database. So maybe somebody says, okay, there is structured data, there is unstructured. So we can go a brainstorming session on one-to-one cases or in the meeting, and then see right how these use cases can fit into the real-time environment. Okay, guys. Anything before we wind up? Any questions you have? By the way, who is this? I see. I just need. Can you type me the messages? Who is this PR and the number? Right. You can just private me message me. It's fine. I can just take a note and send a video.
Hi Vijay, it's Prasanna Ravichandran.
Oh, PR. Oh, got Prasanna Ravichandran. Okay. Okay. Thanks. Fine. I think right. That's we can do that. So, any more questions you have?
No, Vijay, it's perfect, I think.
Yeah. Okay then, guys. I think right. It's good. Thanks all for joining the call. So what I will do is next week, as rightly said, right? I may reach you guys. I'll ping you because I have your thing, and then I'll just share the things to you, and then let's take it forward from there. Okay.
Sure.
Okay, guys. Thanks all.
Yeah, thank you.